Hey everyone, this is me Priyam, your co-host on Proxlight channel, and thank you very much for 5k subscribers. And we are grateful to everyone who has subscribed the channel, and we wish that you continue supporting us in our future endeavors as well. So thank you very much and peace.
Hey everyone, I'm Dia. I'm the writer of Proxlight. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. We have reached 5k subscribers. Keep learning, keep coding, and do subscribe to Proxlight. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Thank you for 5k subscribers, and this meant a lot for me because we have created lots of tutorial on Python, AI related stuff and gaming related stuff, even though we have developed few games and also many more GUI. Along with it, we have also shown you much more AI related project. And I hope really that we will be upgrading our whole editing process and also the making of resourceful content in the future. And this starts a new era of Proxlight. With the 5k subscribers, stay tuned, stay happy and keep coding. Goodbye.
Proxlight.